everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just showing you my little breakfast that I'm cooking today. Today I'm just making a mushroom and onion omelet with some fried potatoes. Something really easy to make, don't take too long. I'm just going to be showing you how I make it and what I put in and all my ingredients and blah blah blah. So right now, right here, I'm sauteing my onions and mushrooms. Here I'm going to scramble my eggs, and then I'm going to pour it into the sauteed mushroom and onions. I scramble up my eggs. I add my seasonings is garlic, salt, and pepper. Now I'm going to mix it all together. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. To me, it tastes better this way when you saute first what you want inside of your omelet and then add the egg. Okay, while I'm scrambling up my omelet, my potatoes are over there cooking. I'm going to be bouncing back and forth, stirring each one. After you get your eggs all scrambled and mixed in whatever you sauteed, you're going to let it sit for a little bit so it can cook and get all whole so they'll all stick together. Okay, and then now we're over to my potatoes. The only thing so far that I put in my potatoes was garlic, salt, and pepper. So I'm just going to clean up and let my potatoes cook. And my potatoes, that's my favorite seasoning. Already come chopped and miniature like that. My little garlic. Excuse my kids in the background. They're over here wrestling. Anyways, back to my omelet. Yes, I'm flipping it over. Make sure both sides is cooked. I be thinking I'm a chef, y'all, but you know, I try. When I be finished with it, it be good. Now back to my potatoes, mixing it up, putting in my little onions in there. I also chopped some onions to go in my potatoes too. So far in my potatoes, I have for the seasoning, pepper, garlic, salt, and the garlic you just saw me put in there, and I have some onions. I did put some butter in there. I use olive oil butter with sea salt. All right, y'all see that my omelet is ready. I'm taking it out of the pan. I'm about to give you guys a close-up of how that looks. Pat out. Look at that omelet. You can't tell me that don't look good. Well, it looks good to me. Okay, now it's time to mix up my potatoes. Okay, I just gotta let my potatoes sit just for a little while. Let them onions get cooked up in there. So right now I'm gonna finish cleaning up while my potatoes sit. You guys, I do not like a dirty kitchen. I do not like cooking in a dirty kitchen. So when I start cooking, I cook and clean at the same time. Okay, right about now, my potatoes are looking ready to come out of this pot. The onions are all cooked in there, so they're ready. I made a lot, you guys. All right. I'm going to give you guys a close-up on this too. Here we go. We are all finished. We got a mushroom and onion omelet and some fried potatoes. Voila.